Good morning. Today we'll be making the best homemade ranch dressing. We're going to start off with a half a cup of mayonnaise. I'm going to be using my homemade mayonnaise. You can check my other videos for this recipe. So we'll use a half a cup of mayonnaise and a half a cup of sour cream and a half a cup of buttermilk. And we're just going to whisk that until creamy. For spices, we are going to use 1 teaspoon of dried dill weed, a half to 1 teaspoon of dried parsley, half a teaspoon of dried chives, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. So I'm just going to mix all that in there. Also, I added 1 garlic clove and 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard and 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. And we are just going to whisk that together. And you can add as much or as little seasoning as you wish. I'm going to add this to a sealed container, and it should keep in the fridge for approximately 1 to 2 weeks.